Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The Best Prime Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Amazon Fire TV device, ensuring seamless navigation and control over your entertainment experience. Without a functional remote, accessing your favorite shows, movies, and apps becomes a frustrating ordeal, making a reliable replacement a crucial investment for any Fire TV user. This guide will help you find the perfect replacement that offers compatibility, durability, and ease of use, so you can get back to enjoying your content without interruption. Number 5. Loutoc Universal Replacement Remote for Roku TV. This remote is specifically designed for all Roku TV models. Please note, it is not compatible with any Roku streaming sticks or boxes. Experience a superior remote with an extended transmitting distance of over 25 feet and a rapid 0.3 second response time. Its buttons are built to last, supporting over 120,000 clicks. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Disney+, P-Video, and Hulu. It's the perfect replacement for your old or damaged remote. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and you're ready to control your TV. No complex programming or setup is required. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, this remote offers a comfortable grip and exceptional durability. The soft buttons provide a sensitive and responsive experience. What we like. This remote is designed exclusively for Roku TVs, offering a seamless experience. It boasts an impressive transmitting distance and quick response time, ensuring you won't miss a moment. If you have a Roku TV and need a reliable replacement with convenient shortcut buttons for your favorite streaming services, this is the one for you. What people say. This remote works with my Fire TV Stick Lite. The remote has a voice control feature that is very convenient. It was easy to set up and pair with my device. Number 4. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express, Premiere, Box, Player, 1 to 4. Tired of losing your Roku remote? This is the perfect replacement for your Roku Express, Premiere, and various Roku models. Get back to streaming in no time. Please note, this remote is not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. It also lacks volume control, a power button, headphone jack, pairing button, and voice search functionality. This remote is exclusively designed for Roku Box, Roku Express, Roku Player, Roku Premiere, and Roku 1, 2, 3, and 4 models. Ensure your original remote does not have a pairing button. Enjoy easy access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney+. Stream your preferred content with a single press. No complicated programming needed. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the box. It's that easy to get started. Each package comes with 2 replacement remotes and a user manual. Experience long-distance transmission up to 8 meters with a quick 0.2 second response time. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you're looking for a backup or a replacement for your Roku Express, Premiere, or older Roku boxes. It comes in a convenient 2-pack and requires no setup, just batteries. If you need a no-fuss, quick replacement for specific Roku box models and appreciate having a spare, this pack is ideal. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Fire TV stick. It was easy to set up and start using right away. The buttons are responsive and the layout is intuitive. Number 3. Apple TV 4K HD Replacement Remote. This is a straightforward replacement remote designed for your Apple TV 4K and HD devices. It offers a simple way to control your media experience. Please be aware that this remote does not support Siri or voice functions. Additionally, power and volume buttons are only compatible with specific TV brands like Samsung, LG, Vizio, and others listed. To ensure a successful connection, you must first unlock your old device with its original remote. Failure to do so may prevent our remote from connecting. It is compatible with a wide array of Apple TV models, including the 1st through 3rd generations, as well as the Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K models up to the 3rd generation. Getting started is easy. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to use. No complicated pairing process is required. Before purchasing, please verify that your TV brand is among those listed for power and volume control compatibility. If your TV brand is not listed, this remote may not function as expected. What we like. This remote is a great alternative for older generations of Apple TV, specifically models up to the 4K third general. It's designed to work without complex pairing, making setup a breeze. If you have a compatible Apple TV model and are looking for a straightforward, no voice function replacement, this is a solid choice. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Fire TV stick. Easy to set up, just put in batteries and it works. The buttons are responsive and the layout is intuitive. Number 2. Samsung TV Remote Replacement. Introducing a universal replacement remote, designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Samsung TV series. It's the perfect upgrade for your viewing experience. This remote is compatible with numerous Samsung TV models, from the 6 series all the way up to the latest QLED and Crystal UHD series. You can be sure it will work with your Samsung TV. It's designed to replace many original Samsung remote control part numbers, ensuring a familiar feel and function. Simply replace your old remote with this new one. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with 3 dedicated shortcut buttons. Get to your content faster without any extra setup. No programming is required. Just insert 2 new AA batteries, and it's ready to go. It's designed for immediate use right out of the box. Each button is tested for durability, ensuring it can withstand between 5,000 to 8,000 clicks. This remote is built to last. We are committed to ensuring compatibility and providing excellent customer support. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This is a direct replacement remote for a vast range of Samsung Smart TV models. It offers shortcut buttons for popular streaming services and requires no programming, just batteries. If you own a Samsung TV and your original remote is lost or broken, this is a reliable and convenient option to get you back to watching your favorite shows quickly. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for my old one. It works right out of the box, no setup required. The buttons are responsive and easy to press. Number 1. Samsung TV Remote Control Replacement. Looking for a replacement remote for your Samsung TV? This universal remote is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Samsung Smart TVs, including all your favorite series and models. From 4K Ultra HD to QLED and OLED, it's compatible with virtually all Samsung Smart TV types. It also supports numerous specific model numbers for a perfect fit. Forget complicated programming. This remote is designed for simplicity. Just insert batteries and it's ready to go, making it incredibly easy to use. Enjoy reliable control from over 30 feet away. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to navigate, even from across the room. This is a straightforward replacement for your original Samsung remote. It offers a simplified button layout, eliminating unnecessary clutter for a user-friendly experience. Your purchase includes 1 infrared remote control. Please note that batteries are not included and need to be purchased separately. What we like. This universal replacement remote is designed for a wide array of Samsung Smart TVs, offering a simple and easy-to-use solution. It features a long transmission distance and an ergonomic design for comfortable handling. If you're looking for a versatile Samsung TV remote that's straightforward to use and comfortable to hold, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This remote works with my Fire TV Stick Lite. It has voice control, which is very convenient. The setup was straightforward and it connected quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.